Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this low puff, so keep watching. Okay, so I just got out the shower. I just rinsed my hair. I didn't wash it, mainly because I don't plan on keeping this style in, so I'm probably going to wash it like tomorrow or something like that. But this is a really low maintenance style that I do in between wash days, and it's just a it's just a low ponytail. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you how to do that. So you just want to split your hair into two sections. I'm gonna secure the other section that I'm not using with a headband. And now we're going in with the African Pride Moisture Miracle Leave-In Cream. I really like this stuff. It's not like too slippery, but it holds your hair, if that makes sense. My hair is usually really soft after using it. It smells good and it has really good results with my hair, so I like that product. And yeah, so we're just working this stuff all the way in, get it from the top of your hair to the bottom. Now I'm just gonna go in with some coconut oil just to seal in that moisture, and that stuff be going everywhere, so yeah. And you just want to rub your hands together. Since it's in a solid form, it's kind of hard and it's gonna get stuck in my hair, but we made it work. Yeah, it's okay, sis. Right, so we're going to work that stuff in, and then I'm gonna take some Eco Styler gel just so I can slick my edges down. And yeah, so we're just putting that all on our hair, and as I'm doing it, I'm really like trying to press my hair down, if that makes sense, because I don't like brushing my hair. And now I'm putting it into a little ponytail. So now we're about to do that with the other side. You just do the same exact thing. You take your leave-in, you take your oil and your gel. Work that all through your hair. Tight, because we're gonna do something at the end. So, and that's how that looks. Now I'm gonna take a really big headband and wrap them around both of the ponytails. And so my hair isn't really pulling too much because it's in two ponytails instead of one ponytail at the back. And I'm just taking some extra gel and slicking my edges down and putting my scarf on so I can get dressed. And so this is probably about 15 minutes later, and this is the finished look. It's still some conditioner and stuff in my hair, but I'm still cute, so you know. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this with somebody who needs it. Follow me on Instagram at XORamani. Bye y'all.